I'm Esme and this is Polyvine's heavy duty wood varnish. This is a staple in our hard-wearing varnish range, designed specifically for high protection on wood surfaces, including doors, worktops, tabletops, furniture, kitchen cabinets, and wood panelling. Simply apply 2 to 3 coats to create an ultra-hard, high-quality, fast-drying and fast-curing varnish with either a satin or dead flat finish. If a very high level of durability and stain resistance is required, then we suggest applying 2 coats of satin finish, followed by 1 coat of dead flat finish, leaving the surface chemical, alcohol, abrasion, and heat resistant. Thanks so much for watching. For full application instructions, further product information, and to find your local stockist, visit polyvine.com.